Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the revised Nightster 975 and the all-new Nightster Special. So, let's get into it. So, first things first, the Nightster 975 is back. Obviously, they didn't have it on the website when we first rolled into 2023, and well, as predicted, they were going to be making some revisions to it, which is basically, well, stripping the bike down. They've simplified it, and so they've taken off the front cowling, which came on the model from last year, so we don't have the cowling around the headlight anymore. And also, compared to the Special, there are going to be a few things that are, well, quote unquote, missing. However, it's not really a downgrade. They basically just stripped off a few things here and there with the engine. Actually, there is black accenting, which you used to be able to get. That is no longer there. It's going to be very similar to the Pan America 975 engine, which is just strictly silver. So those black inserts at the top of the motor are not on there anymore. And also, it's not actually a gas tank because the gas tank is underneath the seat, but the airbox cover with that brilliant red, that was super fancy, and now they've gone to a much simpler bar and shield logo. So if you guys are thinking about getting the new revised Nightster, or obviously the one from last year, 2022 model, the price hasn't changed, or at least where I am, the price hasn't changed, so you might actually want to consider getting one of the older ones, because you'll find out in just a second all of the extras on the Nightster Special. And so before we get to that though, Vivid Black and Redline Red are the two colors offered for the Nightster 975. Looks great in both colors. However, keeping all of these things in mind, now with this model stripped down, maybe you feel like you're getting cheated just a little bit. And here comes the Nightster Special. Now, the Nightster Special is going to be completely different. It's going to have a few extra things on it, including a 5-inch riser, which the top clamp is actually integrating that 4-inch TFT display, so that's incorporated into the top clamp. But the 5-inch riser moves those handlebars up to a pretty comfortable riding position. And so I have a feeling that when we get one of these and I'm able to actually sit on one, I'm definitely going to feel the difference. And I can almost guarantee you guys that this is what the bike was missing. Now, not to say that the Nightster 975 isn't comfortable. I've sat on it many times, but haven't got to ride it yet. However, that setup, obviously, if you guys are planning to put different handlebars on it, it's going to be a moot point. Now, the other added bonus for the Nightster Special is the passenger pillion and foot pegs. This is going to be an added bonus for you guys because obviously if you were going to change the handlebars and you have a 5-inch riser on it now and you find that super comfortable, guess what? You don't have to do the handlebars and you have passenger pillion and pegs, so guess what? You also don't have to add that to the bike either. However, the Nightster 975 still allows a solo rider to come in, buy the bike, and get on the road, no problem whatsoever. No waiting around for any extras, and if you do want the extras, well, just pay a little bit extra money for all these extra features, which include brand new rims, split 7-spoke wheels, and let's be honest, these things look super sharp on the bike as well. You're going to have the black accenting on the motor, which used to be offered on the Nightster 975. Now it's been switched over to the Nightster Special. So the top portion and again, it is an airbox. It is not the gas tank. The custom airbox badge. So a custom badge is going to be on there. It looks pretty retro, looks pretty cool as well. So me personally, I do like the option of having a passenger, so I would choose the Nightster Special. However, If you are, let's say, a new rider coming over to Harley-Davidson, first time, first Harley, the Nightster 975, the base model, is definitely something that you guys should consider. However, if you're more experienced, you have experience riding with a passenger, the Nightster Special definitely makes a lot more sense. And of course, with the Nightster Special, you do get a few more color options. We've got vivid black, denim black, bright billiard blue, which again is my favorite color this year. And of course, we have the bonus color of industrial yellow, which is my most disliked color, as you guys know. However, it does look really, really nice on the website, especially with that retro air tank graphic. And hopefully there is a chance that it'll look better in person when or if we actually get one at the dealership. So, taking all those things into consideration, hopefully you guys can make up your minds as to whether or not the Nightster 975 base model is right for you guys, or the Nightster Special is right for you. Obviously, there's a few things to take into consideration, and of course, the paint selection as well. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button so I know that it's working. Leave any comments, questions down below. Let me know which one you guys would choose. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on future content on the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one.